Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Bill Nye here, and boy, oh boy, has the world changed. It's incredible to think about how far we've come in such a short amount of time. Remember when computers were these big, clunky things? They used to take up entire rooms and were only found in special labs. Now they're everywhere. We carry them in our pockets as smartphones, wear them on our wrists as smartwatches, and even use them to talk to our houses with smart home devices. It's like living in a sci-fi movie. It's more important than ever for our young explorers to learn about this amazing technology. Understanding how it works can open up a world of possibilities. It's not just about playing games, though that's fun too. These devices can be powerful tools for learning and creativity. It's about understanding how the world works and how to be a part of shaping its future. By learning about technology, kids can become the innovators of tomorrow. Think of it like learning a new language. Just as learning a new language can open up new cultures and ideas, learning the language of computers can open up new ways of thinking and creating. The language of computers helps us communicate, create, and innovate. From coding to digital art, the possibilities are endless. And just like any language, the earlier we start, the easier it is. Starting young can give kids a head start in this digital world. So, whether you're a parent, a teacher, or just someone who loves learning, join me on this exciting adventure as we explore the world of computers, step by step, click by click. Together, we can unlock the potential of technology and make the world a better place.
Alright, let's start with our youngest learners, those bright-eyed kiddos eager to get their hands on anything that lights up and makes noise. At this tender age, their curiosity is boundless, and their excitement is contagious. At this age, it's all about introducing the basics in a fun, playful way. The goal is to make learning feel like a game, where every click and tap brings a new adventure. Think of a computer like a friendly monster. It has different parts, a screen to see, a mouse to click, and a keyboard to type. Each part has its own unique function, and together, they create a magical experience. Let them explore these parts, press buttons, and see what happens. This hands-on approach helps them understand how things work and builds their confidence. Games and apps designed for this age group are fantastic tools. They combine entertainment with education, making learning an enjoyable experience. ABC Mouse, for example, uses colorful animations and interactive activities to teach letters, numbers, and basic computer skills. It's like having a virtual classroom right at their fingertips. And who can resist the fun of dance mat typing? This engaging game turns typing practice into a dance party, making it a hit with kids. It's a great way to learn those all-important keyboard skills while grooving to the music. The rhythm and movement make the learning process dynamic and memorable. Remember, the key is to keep it light, engaging, and full of encouragement. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in building their confidence and enthusiasm. Celebrate their curiosity, answer their endless why questions, and let their imaginations run wild. Encourage them to explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with technology.
Our little tech enthusiasts are growing up. It's amazing to see how quickly they adapt to new technology. They're starting to grasp the basics and are ready to dive a little deeper into the digital world. Their curiosity is boundless, and it's the perfect time to nurture it. This is a great time to introduce the concept of file management. Understanding how to keep their digital space organized is a fundamental skill. Think of it like organizing their toys. Just as they have a place for each toy, they can have a place for each file. We have folders for different types of files, just like we have boxes for blocks, crayons, and action figures. This helps them find what they need quickly and easily. Show them how to create folders, name them, and store their digital treasures. This not only keeps things tidy, but also makes their computer experience more enjoyable. Now let's talk about the internet. That vast and exciting digital playground. It's a place full of knowledge and fun, but it also requires some rules. It's crucial to teach them about online safety. They need to understand the importance of protecting their personal information and being cautious about what they share. Just like we teach them to look both ways before crossing the street, we need to teach them to navigate the online world safely. This includes recognizing safe websites and understanding the risks of sharing too much information. Tools like Interland by Google use interactive games to teach kids about online safety, from protecting their personal information to being kind and respectful online. These games make learning fun and memorable. And for those eager typists, Typing Club offers engaging lessons and games to help them improve their speed and accuracy. It's a fantastic way for them to develop their typing skills while having fun.
Get ready to unleash their inner tech creators. At this age, kids are ready to go beyond just using computers to understanding how they work. This is where the magic of coding comes in. Coding is like learning a secret language that makes computers do amazing things. It's about breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. And guess what? There are tons of resources out there designed specifically for young learners. Scratch, developed by MIT, is a fantastic platform that uses a block-based programming language, making it easy and fun for kids to create their own interactive stories, games, and animations. They'll be amazed at what they can build with just a few clicks and drags. Khan Academy is another excellent resource that offers free online courses on a wide range of subjects, including computer programming. Their coding tutorials are engaging, interactive, and perfect for visual learners.
Section 5. Tech Wizards Unleashed, ages 13, 16. Hold on tight, because our tech whizzes are about to take flight. They've got the basics down, they're comfortable with coding, and now they're ready to explore the more advanced realms of the digital world. This is a great time to introduce them to different operating systems, like Windows and macOS. Let them tinker with settings, customize their desktops, and learn about the inner workings of their devices. Encourage their creativity by introducing them to graphic design, video editing, and music production software. There are tons of free and affordable options available, like Canva for graphic design and Audacity for audio editing. And for those who want to delve deeper into the world of coding, platforms like Code Academy offer interactive courses on various programming languages, from Python to JavaScript. They can even learn how to build their own websites and web applications.
Section 6. Digital Pioneers of Tomorrow, ages 16 plus. Congratulations, our tech prodigies are all grown up and ready to take on the world. They've got the skills, the knowledge, and the passion to make a real difference in the digital landscape. This is the time to encourage them to specialize in areas that ignite their curiosity and align with their career aspirations. Are they fascinated by artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, software development? The possibilities are limitless. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer a vast library of online courses taught by industry experts. They can learn about cutting-edge technologies, gain valuable skills, and even earn certifications to boost their resumes. Encourage them to network with other tech enthusiasts, attend hackathons, and contribute to open-source projects. The tech world is all about collaboration, innovation, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Section 7. Guiding Young Explorers in a Digital World. Now, let's talk about our role as parents, educators, and mentors in this exciting digital journey. It's our responsibility to guide our young explorers, to nurture their curiosity, and to ensure they're using technology safely and responsibly. Setting healthy screen time limits is crucial. Encourage them to balance their digital adventures with offline activities like playing outside, reading books, and spending time with loved ones. Monitor their online activity, not to invade their privacy, but to ensure their safety and well-being. Keep an open line of communication. Talk to them about online dangers and teach them how to identify and report inappropriate content. Most importantly, be their biggest cheerleaders. Celebrate their successes, encourage their creativity, and remind them that it's okay to make mistakes. Learning is a journey, and every stumble is an opportunity to learn and grow.
Section 8. Building a brighter future with technology. As we conclude our digital adventure, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of technology and the impact it has on our lives. It connects us, empowers us, and opens up a world of possibilities for our young learners. By equipping them with the skills and knowledge to navigate the digital landscape, we're not just preparing them for the future, we're empowering them to shape it. They are the digital pioneers, the innovators, the problem solvers of tomorrow. Let's nurture their curiosity, encourage their creativity, and inspire them to use technology to make the world a better, brighter, and more connected place. After all, the future belongs to those who dare to dream big and use their knowledge to turn those dreams into reality.